Hello, and welcome to Code Pass. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, smash that subscription button and comment, like my videos. If you have any question, if you're having any issue, you want me to take a look at it for you, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I will quickly respond and then try and provide that support or fix that for you. All right, so in today's video, you may have installed Visual Studio Insider on your M1 machine, and then let's check it out. Yes, I already have that installed. When we come to Visual Studio Code, you see I have the insider and then the code. So right now, if I type code, it says command not found. All right, so I'm going to show you how to rectify that issue. So let's get started. All right, so then the first thing that I need to do is to copy your Z profile link at the top as usual and use the open command. So you do that. All right, so it opens this for you, and then you should be able to add path to that. You may have already tried going to the shell command in the Visual Studio Insider to do all this, but then it's still not working. All right, so this is a solution to that. All right, so you don't want to have two Visual Studio Code on your machine, and you can type code and then it will bring Insider for you or bring the stable version for you. So you may want to be careful about that. So as you can see over here, I've already commented the Visual Studio, the stable one, which is the one I'm coming to show you, is the Insider. So I'll copy this and then come to new line, paste it over there, and we can also, to know what this is doing, we can copy the comment, the title of our path, so that it makes it cool. So I can say VS Code Insider. Insider. Yep. All right, so you can see I've already I commented that, so I will uncomment that. And over here, what you need to do is to give a space, and then we type insiders. That's all we need to do over here, and then you save this particular file. That's all. You don't need to do anything. I will leave this particular path in the description so that you can just copy that and paste it in your .z profile. Yeah, so if we are done over here, just close and then close this. And now we are coming to relaunch a new terminal, and if I should type code and hit enter, hooray! So you can see it has launched the Visual Studio Code Insider for us. That is all for this video. If you have any question, like I said,